Hey guys, Andy here. Now, obviously, the Pixel Buds from Google are not anything particularly new. They came out about 9 months ago and generally took quite a mixed reaction from reviewers. When I saw recently on the Google Play Store they had £50 off, they were down to £109, I thought, do you know what? Let's give them a go. Let's see what they're like. So I ordered a pair. They come in black or they come in black and white, and as you can perhaps see from the photo there, these are the black and white version. One thing I like about them is they're quite sort of nice, simple design. Even the carry case, a nice, simple sort of fabric design. USB Type-C port on the back, and as we open up, we see the Pixel Buds inside. They're not perhaps as simple to take out as some earbuds that I have, but at the same time, they're not the truly wireless type. So I have some Jabra Elite Sports that are truly wireless. There's no cord between them. Obviously, that's not the case with the Pixel Buds here. As you can see here, a bit about how to set up, how to wear them. So I quite like, it's quite a clever design in that you adjust the cord to fit your ear. All the controls on the touch control on the right earbud. There is actually a button inside the container. You can perhaps see there the top right of the container. That's how you can manually put them in pairing mode. You hold that button down for a few seconds. I touched nothing and my phone just said, oh, your Pixel Buds want to pair with you. Is that all right? Okay then. And that was pretty much it. There was a bit of, now set up your Google Assistant, this is how you wear them, and all that kind of instruction. But, I mean, it really was very simple. At the same time, very easy to pop in your ear. They stick out a little bit, I suppose, as in they're not particularly flush. But at the same time, I think they look reasonably, well, they look okay. And I would say generally from my use, they're actually quite comfortable. To control things using Google Assistant or to talk to Google Assistant, you just hold down on the right earbud. And as you can see here, actually it was pretty responsive. Interestingly, it doesn't do things through your phone. So other headphones that have this option, they basically do the operation on the phone and the phone does everything, but the Pixel Buds seem to do it themselves without need for the phone. My usual test was to wear them down the gym, and I generally found that they were fine for that. I didn't really have any issues. There have been some comments about controlling them with sweaty hands, and to be honest, I didn't notice anything, although I did when I was drying myself with a towel, as I needed to do here. Quite often I would get false touches on the controller, on the right-hand earbud. And here we see how you do control them. You get an option for the double tap of the right earbud can either read your last notification out loud, or it can skip to next. I left it on generally the read the notifications, and it worked quite well. It would give you a little blip, or I think it would announce you have a message from blah blah blah, or there's a Hangout message in blah blah blah, and you would double tap and it would read you the message, and it generally worked quite well. The quoted battery life on the Google website for the earbuds is 5 hours, and then 19 hours further from the case. Now, I only use them through one charge cycle. I got 4 hours, just a touch under 4 hours of continuous heavy use, like music playing basically, which I thought was not too bad. I have seen other reviews where they reckon they get sort of 30 hours in total, including the charge case, which seems a little unlikely from my use, but 4 hours is generally enough for me. I guess if you're on a long flight you might want longer, but on a long flight you probably want noise cancelling earphones. So all in all, I thought they were actually pretty good. I can understand why some people really do like them. The initial pair up is crazy simple, but at the same time it is just a setup. After that, they're just like any other buds. You put them in the case, they disconnect, you open the case and they connect. They are quite light and I guess therefore comfortable to wear for an hour or two. But at the same time, I suppose because of both of those, they never feel like they're being held firmly in. Having said that, there are no real issues from it. They never fell out or anything. You just sometimes feel that you're not getting the best musical quality because they're not being held into your ear. Google Assistant is really well integrated, works very well, very smooth. Obviously, I didn't try the translation thing. I wasn't really abroad. I didn't really have anyone that I could try it with, so I can't comment on that. It is a little bit of a shame that they're not totally wireless. The cord is also a little bit short for me. You could have done with another sort of 5 centimeters, I would have thought. All of the sound I thought was pretty good, but I think maybe they're not worth £159 good. I think maybe if they're sort of 80 to 100, so like I say, I paid 109. If these were my only earbuds, then yeah, I'd be okay with that, but yeah, they're still probably a little bit high priced. So there we go. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. For now, my name's Andy, and I'll catch you all again soon. Well done, and thank you for making it to the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, you might want to click the little fellow that should hopefully appear about here to subscribe. You may also want to check out some of my other videos, which are going to appear somewhere there. Also, come and have a look at my website, androidandy.uk. There is also a forum. Come and say hello on the forum if you've got any questions about things or request me to review things or anything else. Just come and have a chat on the forum.